Okay, so I'm going to upload this video. I'm changing my page around a little bit. This page is probably now going to be about cannabis and car stereos. So, what we're doing today, I was having a problem with my 12 volt constant on my car stereo. So what I'm doing is running a wire following where I already have my power wire for my amp going all the way around. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it directly to my fuse box here. So it's got the 12 volt constant from the battery, but it's out of the way because I already have enough hooked to the battery here. So we'll go look at what we got on the inside. Don't mind the mess. It's dirty where I live, so it's all sand and everything. So yeah, that's where a lot of that comes from. Anyway, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can move that wire out of the way. It comes all the way through right there. I've put a couple of zip ties because I ran my microphone wire with it as well. I'll upload another video of that one. Anyway, so I've got it hanging down so you guys can see where it's going to. But it's actually going up and over those wires. I'm trying not to have it hang on metal because I don't want it getting cut eventually. And it's actually really hidden. I don't know if I can get to it and see it. Oh, yep, there it is. All the way up under. We're going around there. So what I did, since I was replacing my microphone anyway, I just put a new head unit in. I took a wire, just an extra wire that I'm going to use as a leading cable to pull these up through the dash. It's going to be much easier if you guys can do something like that. It's much easier going down through the stereo head unit with the wire than it would be to try to go up. So if you guys do need to use this method, I would suggest going through the dash and trying to find a hole where it will come out. It's pretty wide open under there, so it shouldn't be a problem usually, I don't believe. At least any car that I've had to work on stereos and get up under here hasn't really had an issue with space. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tie the lead wire to my new 12 volt constant and my microphone wire, and I'm going to pull it straight through the dash and hook it up. As you can see, I got my stereo just hanging there. It's probably not a good idea to do that. You might want to unplug yours, but there's my lead wire that I'm going to pull back through. Just an extra wire, so pretty clean. I did have to run my ground wire. I don't think you guys can see it in there. Oh yeah, maybe. I ran a ground to straight to my chassis, or straight to the frame, or whatever. Anyway, straight to the metal. Just ran a brand new ground wire because mine didn't have it. If you guys don't have a ground wire, if you don't have a wiring harness, mine's been cut. You can always do that as well instead of trying to find a ground. There are plenty of videos on how to find grounds as well. Well, grounds, power wire, and your 12 volt constant. I don't have a problem with my ignition wire, so we're gonna leave that. But see, I already have my I already have it cut and ready to go. I just need to pull it through and connect it. And hopefully that will fix my memory problem. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to cut it off from here, and I might end up putting a part 2 once I get everything put back together. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.